buddy Danny here. Well, let's go paint some vegetables in our still life, okay? I'll meet you at the easel. And here we go. Let's paint some of these vegetables. We're going to start out first with this onion. Okay. We're going to start out first with him. We're just going to be nice and gentle, going around like that on the inside of that. Okay. This is where you gotta just be a little more gentle than you would probably normally be. Okay. We gotta have a gentle touch. And there we've got him. Next in line, we've got a couple of tomatoes. Okay. Now, tomato is kind of an orangey red. And that's what we're doing right now. We got some red, we got a little bit of orange in it, like that. This is for the first tomato. Now we've got that down, and now we'll pick some up like that. That gives it shape. Now the tomato in the back is in the shade, so he isn't going to be as intense in color as the one up front. So we'll just kind of knock him down, give him a little swipe too, like that. Okay, there's our tomatoes. Now we've got this shallot. Okay, now the shallot is kind of purpley brown. Okay, and so we will make the shallot kind of purpley brown, like that. Okay. Now we'll pull a little bit off. There's our shallot. Okay. And now we have this piece of garlic. Okay. And we're just going to lay a little bit of color into the garlic like that. And we're going to pick it back out. There we go. Just like that. There we are. And now for the clove down here, we're going to give it its color. And there we have it. Be with me tomorrow. We'll take care of the bottle. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And that worked all right. Tomorrow, we'll put the olive oil bottle in. So until then, remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.